Hi, welcome to Rahul and Jayashree Association Company and Rahul Law Class. So, main purpose of making this video is to give about the what are the strategies and plans so that you do accordingly and prepare for AIB exam and clear that at once. Okay, as because you should clear this at once, as because it is necessary for law practice. So, watch it till the end to receive the full information. First, that you need a deep understanding of legal concepts. Legal concept means the law things, the law informations, whichever you need to clear any exam. For that you have to study books, notes, bare acts. Okay, and theories, basically theories are in the subjects of jurisprudence. Okay, so that subject needs to be read again and again so that you can keep a grip and try to remember the keywords so that you can connect when the questions are given. Okay, then you should research on the case laws. Now, how you will research on the case laws? Previous year question paper will help you, and other exams question paper will help you, like other state judicial exams, right? Important cases are asked, so from that you can take hints, and many cases are repeated. Then amendments. Which amendments are important? Again, then past year question papers of AIB and other exams. If you analyze carefully, you will know which amendments are important. All amendments are not important. Okay, you have to make study plans. You have to, again I am saying, previous year papers are more important for any exams, be it even AIB. Mock tests are important. Okay, mock tests are very much important so that you can keep check how much you know, how what are the strategies, as because only studying will not help you. You need to solve questions to eliminate the wrong options and come to the right answer. Okay, so that is important. And depth analysis, as because application based, assertion based, legal reasoning, all these of types of questions have been framed nowadays. So for that you need to apply legal principles. So for that you need the legal understanding of legal concepts, and that will be your subjective questions. Okay, practice is a key for any entrance exam, that be even AIB. Okay, now they are asking application based questions. Application based means AIB has becoming first type of exams nowadays, and over there they are asking to apply your mind. Okay, that means we can expect that legal reasoning type question, so that in which they are trying to test your concept, your understanding, your knowledge. So for that you need to understand the depth questions, based questions, means from questions have been framed. Okay, for that you need to a deeper understanding of law. Then what are the subjects from where more questions have been asked? First is the important subject, that is constitution, and then is the jurisprudence, then family law. Okay, Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita you need to study, Bharatiya Nagarik Suraksha Sanhita, the new laws, Bharatiya Sakshi Adhiniyam. Okay, and contracts question have been framed, IPR and minor acts, including different subjects. So this you need to be a master over that to clear AIB exam at your first attempt and secure a practicing qualification for your entire life at least. Okay, so this is a very fundamentals to get in exams. We provide mock test every exam preparation, so you can buy them by contacting my email. Everything is in description box. Please like, share and subscribe so that I receive your support. Thank you.